Okay, Aparajita, we have people from the head office Delhi, Ark Srinivasan, we have Amitendra sir, and they're all here to congratulate you. So
Thank you.
I mean, this is an amazing ability. I mean, you have changed the way people look at CLAT itself. The kind of score that you have got, Aparajita, amazing. Congratulations. From
Thank
all
you,
of us at PLLST, I think this is something which we were very happy. Every year we are, always excited to look at the number one student, but you look at very humble, normal student, but getting through this number one rank is, I think, a achievement par excellence. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, congratulations, Aprajita. So really wonderful to connect with you actually. So in fact, as said, very good score actually. So I think once the rectified answer key were released, your score got reduced a little bit. But
Yes, it did.
Okay. Did you attempt those 5 questions in maths?
Yes, I did. My answers were wrong because the first question, my answer came different. So I thought, let's attempt it that way. And all the answers of that question went wrong.
Okay, that's okay. Wonderful. Still, the gap is very high. It's a wonderful achievement. It's a wonderful feat, I would say. Congratulations once again.
I'm going to ask you one question straight away, Aparajita.
Yes, sir.
अपराजिता का मतलब है कि जिसको पराजित नहीं किया जाएगा,
हरा नहीं सकते.
हरा नहीं सकता है. Were you expecting this? Seriously?
So I thought the exam went well, so I would get into top 10 LLUs, but getting an AIR 1 was like quite unexpected.
Amazing. I mean, this is I mean, like वो journalist होता है ना. I want to become a journalist, and I ask you this question. तुम्हारा feeling क्या था?
I was sleeping, and then suddenly the news came. So it was like I thought my father was joking. I rank 1, so it was a big deal. So surprising.
In fact, when I spoke to your father yesterday, he said you have been working really hard for this, and that's evident from the result itself, no doubt about that. But he said he used to tell you that itna nahi padho, but you kept on studying late nights actually. So that hard work has really paid. I think he should be more happy now. In fact, he was definitely happy yesterday when I was talking to him, but definitely with this, he would now definitely agree that hard work really pays off, isn't it?
Yes, I did paid off.
but how did you manage with your board exams and the preparation for CLAT? That is something really a challenge for each student. So we would like to hear your take on it.
From the starting, like I started to prepare CLAT before I started for standard 11. So to balance both the things were very important because you cannot leave your school. It becomes very important to maintain a class in your school. So I divided time in starting I used to give more time to my school, but then I like slowly and gradually I maintained everything, and starting I gave 3 to 4 hours to CLAT, and then it increased to 6 hours, and gradually everything went well.
I think that increased 6-month time that you all got this time. Unfortunately,
that like it worked in favor.
COVID, but I think that helped you in revising a lot of stuff over and over again, maybe.
Yes, ma'am. Like all the concepts which are not not clear, that went like. So in the 6 month which I got, like my maths was comparatively weak. So I worked on that section. I started to work from the basics because basics in math was really important. If I couldn't get the basic, I wouldn't be able to solve any questions. So I started from that, and then slowly and gradually I started to solve many questions, different questions from different mocks, and then the sectional tests and topic tests. Then some YouTube channels also helped a lot in those things.
How did you keep yourself motivated these 6 months, especially because of COVID? A lot of people lost the enthusiasm. How did you
So
keep
you
yourself
used to give us motivation a lot on you whenever you used to come for the online classes. So that was very much helped.
I'm really glad. I'm really glad that, of course, I would like you to ask a very basic question. Who would you credit this entire sincere success to? Apart from, of course, a lot of people, I want you to tell me how you consider this culmination into a All India rank 1. And it's, believe me, a stupendous achievement.
I would credit this achievement to my father and my mother. Like they were the pillars of my strength. They were always guiding me through everything. Like whenever I used to get stuck in something, they used to solve it like real quick. There would be a question from maths or English or anything. They would just take the question and spread it everywhere. That please somebody answer the question. It's very necessary. So that was it.
What do your father and mother do?
My mother is a housemaker and my father is a serviceman.
Excellent.
He's in railway.
Excellent.
Okay.
So, Amit,
So he must be traveling a lot actually, isn't it? So, but still wonderful actually. So he has been able to give you so much of time actually. So that's really wonderful. You started quite early, Rajita. I believe you started when you were in class 11th itself.
Yes, I did. Started in that time.
Yeah, because I could see your mocks performance. You were really and you have given all the flexi mocks actually. I could see actually. So
Flexi mocks were really very helpful. Like this GK section, separate GK section mock, flexi mocks. Then like sectional tests were divided, and those were really very helpful. I guess. I tried to attempt every mock possible, and then there was this thing like you can reattempt all the mocks. So that worked in favor. So I could
And
attempt.
have it reset and you took all the mocks again. I saw that.
Yes, ma'am.
no, I think that's a very smart move, Aparajita, that you took so many mocks. One of the things, keep telling. In fact, I'm going to ask you, what message would you want to give it to CL LST students who have obviously been studying with us either for the SPAN Plus or Bullet or Express? What part of the LST course really helped you, and what would you advise everybody else?
At CLST, we get like the online things that teachers come and give lectures are really very important, and the mocks, the sectional tests, the topic tests, they help you practice, and whatever the CL mode material provides are very accurate. Like it's in comparison to the paper we gave, like you can relate to them. Like they were actually most of it was same. You can say like, yeah, I did practice these things like that in CL mocks. So that was the thing. I think if the students who are going to study in the CL, they should focus more on the mocks and try to practice each and every mock religiously, and do not leave anything, like every material level. Let it be the books they provide or everything. Like everything is very important.
In fact, may I say something, Aparajita? This small part, what you said, that you should write mocks. I'm going to take it as a clip, and for all our students in aspiration, I'm going to put your clip saying that this is what AIR once says. Please do it, kind of things, because you know how many times I would have told people, please write mocks, please write mocks.
And
but
so what you told, you just specified that after giving mock, analyzing the mock was very necessary. So that was the thing that I kept on revising and revising. Like gave mock, yes, good, I scored something, but revising and analyzing it was more important. I did that like many times, analyzing the mock. That was very important for me. Like I religiously followed everything you said.
oh, this we tell it to every student, but I think when it is now coming from you, I think they'll be really following it seriously now.
By the way, we are going to felicitate you, and you have some surprises coming your way. Ragini ji, we will tell her once at the entire CLLST, our chairman and managing director also are so excited that we would want you to be a kind, not just ambassador for CLLST, but more for the students part of it, saying that, look, this is the way to prepare, this is the way to put in effort, and you will really crack it, kind of things. I'm really glad.
Absolutely.
And my congratulations to your parents also, Aparajita. I mean, seriously, your father and your mother, without their help, I don't think it's going to be possible to get here.
Yes, sir.
You know,
They play
I'll
important-
share with you Ark's. Her father used to take a great interest. In fact, every class he would be at the center to drop her, pick her up, and have an interaction with us at the center regarding her performance, her progress, and consistently for 2 years, which is not easy for any parent.
Brilliant.
Trust me.
Brilliant. Can we? Is your father there with you? Can we see him?
Yes,
Can we
sir,
congratulate
he's
him?
there. He's just sitting in front of me.
I would definitely want to congratulate him. Namaskar, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning to you, and badai ho. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
I think this is like a amazing feat. I mean, I was just telling Aparajita that without your full support, this is almost impossible everywhere.
जब भी जरूरत पड़ता था एकदम मतलब कहीं ना कहीं से उसका सॉल्व करवाते थे, क्योंकि एक भी डाउट एक मतलब दिन भर नहीं रहने देना, 1 घंटा के अंदर हम इसको कहीं ना कहीं से सॉल्व करवाएंगे।
बहुत ही बढ़िया।
रेगुलर डाउट क्लियर करवाते थे। सिंघानिया सर को भी बीच में फोन करके डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं। क्वेश्चन कैसे आ गया?
बहुत बढ़िया। इनफैक्ट मैं ये बोलने वाला था कि आपके जैसा जो क्या बोलते हैं सपोर्ट जो है बच्चों को देने का, ये मिसाल है। ये मैं हर एक हम तो ये सेशंस तो करते रहते हैं, ये जो उसलिए मैं रिकॉर्ड भी कर रहा हूँ। मैं आपसे परमिशन मांगता हूं कि ये दो वाक्य कहे हैं ना, आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस, आपके बच्ची के लिए किए हैं एज अ पेरेंट, बहुत ही अच्छा किया है। सो ये क्या किया है करके आपने जो बोले ना, मैं सॉल्व करता था बच्चों का कोई भी सवाल हो, ये मैं यूज करने वाला हूं, इसको रिकॉर्ड करके यूज करने वाला हूं और हर एक पेरेंट को बोलने वाला हूं कि देखिए ऐसा करना चाहिए।
हाँ, हम तो मतलब छोटे वाले बच्चा को भी बोलता हूँ कि कुछ भी डाउट हो तुरंत बताना, मैंने 1 मिनट उसको नहीं रखना अपने अंदर कि तुम अभी बताओगे, हम कहीं ना कहीं से 2 जगह 4 जगह पूछ के ही एकदम दम लेते थे, उसको सॉल्व करके ही दम लेते थे।
Aparajita,
yes, ma'am.
Your name has been splashed across your school, websites and everything. All your teachers are so happy, Tejrashi Malhotra especially, and they've been congratulating you and felicitating you. Notre Dame Academy, Patna, topper, number 1. Have you seen it?
Not
Have you seen it?
any of them, like right now. It's like everything is cut off right now.
Oh, it's cut off. All right. You must check on your pages. I think you've been out of the social media for a long time now. It's time to go back.
Yeah, it is not to go.
Time to go back.
And
Yeah,
connect
at least for next 10 days. After that, anyways, again, you'll not be getting time.
2-3 years in college is very important. You have to work very hard.
Definitely.
To get GPA.
Definitely.
In fact, I go to Bangalore every month, every 2 months. Thanks to COVID, I was not going. But next time, I'm going to meet you in NLSIU itself.
Wow,
Yes, sir.
that's great. That will be really lovely.
We have a lot
I
of
think
students every year.
She'll be very happy to meet you there.
Yes, I would be very glad.
Oh,
Okay.
Wonderful.
Because that was the one thing your father kept insisting, every meeting he would say, Singhania ji, aap आशीर्वाद दे दीजिए. Sir would say, mock test करवाइए. He'd say, हाँ वो करा रहे हैं, लेकिन आप आशीर्वाद पहले दीजिए.
Hello.
Thank you.
good morning, sir. Congratulations once again.
Thank you, Aks. Thank you. कैसे हैं आप? अवचिंद?
Absolutely. बहुत
बिल्कुल
बढ़िया।
बढ़िया, sir. We are fine.
A really a very joyous occasion in these COVID times. It's like the joy is even doubled, It's something to be able to connect and still stay together.
In fact, I would say thanks to COVID. Otherwise, we would have never thought of interacting this way. We would have always looked for a moment where we would have gone to Patna and met her actually. And that would have taken time actually. In fact, thanks to these times, actually, we are really lucky to have been interacting on real-time basis actually.
Aks,
मैं तो बढ़िया हूँ सर, और कंग्रेचुलेशन आपको। अपराजिता को तो बहुत ही बधाई हो उसको। And I want to kind of make sure that she enjoys this moment, because the moment she joins Bangalore, बहुत काम करना पड़ेगा उसको बच्ची को.
काम करना पड़ेगा. It's very tough, बहुत challenging.
But it's wonderful. It's really
Just now
fun.
I was telling her that only. It's very tough out there, and there is a Aditya Birla scholarship also there.
She should get it. Yes.
If she does work.
And Aparajita, for this Aditya Birla scholarship, which is a huge scholarship, they will ask you for interviews. There may be an interview and question answers. Please don't hesitate to ask us. We have been doing that for too long with all the students at every level. If you need any help on that, immediately get in touch for the answers that you need to write, or the interview that you need to prepare for, kind of things. I'm saying I'll be available along with, of course, everybody else too. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Sure. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Right, Anupji. Thank you so much. And thank you,
Thank you,
Ragini ji.
Aks. Thank you so much. Thanks, Amritendra.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Ragini ma'am, for giving the opportunity, and congratulations, Aparajita, once again.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
It's your day, Aparajita. So congratulations.
Thank
Enjoy
you,
the
ma'am.
moment.
Thank you, ma'am. It means a lot.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye.